Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shuhi Sarkar. If you are new to my channel, kindly take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I asked on my Instagram that was the most weirdest reply you have got or you have given of not texting back. And I got pretty spicy answers, and the answers that made me laugh so much, and that will make you laugh too. So, without any further ado, if you want to know what are the weirdest things people say when they don't reply in time, then please keep on watching. Now, I want to quickly address something that people do need their time to get their shit together, and people are really busy in their life. So, some of them may not be excuses, maybe the actual reason, or some of them may be excuses. I am not saying that texting is your priority. Yes, we all are busy, but it's just a fun video, and I will be glad if you take it in a fun way because your girl is very fun. So the first is my fingers are paining. I said this to a girl and later regretted it. Now that's an excuse. My fingers are paining. Paining from doing what? I don't mean it in a nasty way, but why are your fingers paining? Now that's an excuse, bro. If you don't want to text someone, just tell them that your social battery is down, as I say. And my weirdest text back of not replying is in the last of the video. Do watch this video to the end to know what's the most weirdest reply I have got of not texting back. So your fingers are paining. I know, bro. I know, bro. I know, I can understand. অনেক প্রবলেমে ছিলাম, মুড ভালো নেই, লাইফে কিছু ঠিক চলছে না, তাই টেক্সট করতে পারিনি. Yeah, that may be a valid reason that people have problems and people have moods, and life is not always sorted. So that is not an excuse. But if you know the person, you can tell it better if it's excuse or not. If the person is actually busy in his or her life or not. But I don't think it's an excuse. But the person who wrote this must think that it's excuse, and that's for a reason. So I'll take it as an excuse. I don't use WhatsApp now. I don't like it so much. It feels boring. Yes. Now, is it an excuse? Maybe. Is it not an excuse? Maybe. I'm not sure because WhatsApp can feel boring and people may not like WhatsApp, but WhatsApp is a very useful app where you can get information. Suppose you are in college and I'm in college, I get the links of my class in my WhatsApp. So, WhatsApp is a pretty useful app, but other than that, it may be boring. So, is it an excuse? I don't know. Maybe the person is always online and not replying you. Can be a hint that it's an excuse. Suppose a person is always online, but he or she is not replying to you. So, that in that case, it's an excuse. Okay. I think I'm reacting to whether it's an excuse or not, which I should not do. It's an excuse I will assume and then I will move on, right? ভাই খেয়াল করিনি. Busy people. Maybe the person has actually not seen. I don't know. It's so like dumb type ki bhai khayal korini. Maybe the person is honest, but let me assume it's an excuse, okay? Because as I've promised it. So, khayal korini, so what? তুমিও খেয়াল করবে না. I am dead, which by the way I use. Obviously, you are dead. I'm also dead. I'm dead inside. You are also dead inside. So let's be sisters, okay? Okay, it's. You don't use that. You just said it. I know. I am dead, which by the way, you can use it with your friends to make the situation funny. You are dead. Good job, bro. টেক্সটটা লিখতে পাঠাতে ভুলে গেছে, অনেকটা নেশা করে, সেম পেজ তো টেক্সটটা লিখে পাঠাতে ভুলে গেছে অনেকটা নিচে ও আই মিন লাইক actually he or she forgot to write the text okay let me get into the depth of it okay you forgot to write the text or he or she forgot to write the text and send now that's some short term memory loss maybe my phone fall into a tumbler of boiling water while my mother was using it. What? Phone fall into a tumbler of boiling water. Acha. Acha. Your phone was with your mother and your mother was cooking or something and from her hand your phone fell in the boiling water. Okay. See, I always say, I've never said, saying it for the first time. Humans are genius. Like humans are really genius. This happens when you are like very intelligent, very intelligent. So that's a theory, bro. That's a theory. Oh my god. If you don't want to text someone, say that I am actually not interested. I know it's not easy to say. But I feel like we should make a habit of saying that you are not interested or just give hints without replying for days. I suck at replying, but I never give excuses like that. The only excuse that's not excuse as the actual thing that I'm busy. So or I have very less social battery, so that is it. মার শরীর খারাপ ছিল তাই বাড়ির সব রান্না ঘর মুছে এভরিথিং করতে হয়েছে তাই টেক্সট করতে পারিনি sensitive issue because he or she is bringing his or her mother in this maybe mother was actually sick and he or she has to take care of everything or had to take care of everything it may happen but if it's an excuse it's a very thoughtful excuse I must say very thoughtful ফোন চুরি হয়ে গেছে দুদিন পর খুঁজে পেয়েছি তাই টেক্সট করতে পারিনি হোয়াট ব্রো ফোন চুরি হয়ে গেছে অ্যান্ড তুমি খুঁজে পেলে কি করে হাউ ওয়ার ইউ এবল টু ফাইন্ড ইউর ফোন after 2 days huh the person who wrote this must have seen you online that's why he or she thought that it was an excuse because if you were online you could have texted him or her back right phone churi hoye geche ফোন একটা ফ্রেন্ড নিয়ে গেছিল ওর ব্যাটারি শেষ ছিল ফোনের একা বাড়ি যেতে ভয় পাচ্ছিল তাই আমার ফোন নিয়ে গেছিল ফোন একটা ফ্রেন্ড নিয়ে গেছিল ওয়াই বিকজ ব্যাটারি শেষ হয়ে গেছিল ফোনে ফাইন একা বাড়ি যেতে ভয় পাচ্ছিল তাই আমার ফোন নিয়ে গেছিল আচ্ছা now if you're a girl and you are going home at night and you took your friend's phone to go to your home it's so confusing yaar this excuses are so thoughtful na they don't seem like a lie correct me if I'm wrong all the excuses I'm reading they're very thoughtfully placed and they are in a situation where you cannot be like oh so what because it's actually a serious situation I didn't text you back because I opened my WhatsApp on and slept okay brother calm down your phone's battery must be dead because you have opened the WhatsApp all night and you slept ठीक है यार कभी कभी you just listen to these things and laugh your ass off like laugh your ass off these are just comedy bro I didn't text you back because I opened my WhatsApp on and slept obviously you slept obviously you should sleep and also with your WhatsApp on good dishonesty 100, dishonesty 100, কোনো নোটিফিকেশনস আসেনি তাই রিপ্লাই দিইনি, কোনো নোটিফিকেশন আসেনি তাই রিপ্লাই দিইনি। Maybe the person doesn't open WhatsApp and he or she just replies from the notification bar and that notification didn't come. You know, humans lie to us, but technology never lie to us. So I think the human is lying over here. What do you think? मजा आ गया. Next time I will use one of them of not texting back. No, actually I will say them the actual reason that actually I'm busy or actually I'm not interested. these were all the these were all, so that's it for today's video. And I promise that I will tell what's the weirdest reply I have heard of not texting back, and that is actually আমার ফোন জলে পড়ে গেছিল, so now I'm using my dad's phone, and that's in a very bad condition, so I was not able to text you. So when this happens when you use like 90% of your brain. A good human or a human can use only 2% of his brain, but you used 90% and you have given me the excuse. I feel so honored. I really enjoyed reacting to these excuses. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. If you enjoyed the video or if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and do not forget to share it with your friends because they may have also heard some more strange excuses of not texting back. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I will leave a link for you in the description box. And thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye.